The ultimate FastPeopleSearch review, tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you've ever lost contact with someone or needed to confirm a phone number, you won't believe how useful online people search tools can be. FastPeopleSearch is a website that gathers publicly available information into one place, helping you look up addresses, phone details, and background basics. Start by typing a name, phone number, or address into the search bar. Most people are surprised at how quickly results appear. You may find multiple profiles, especially if the name is common, so review age ranges, past cities, or relatives to identify the right match. It's important to understand where this information comes from. The site collects data that is already publicly accessible from sources like listings, records, and directories. Going pro means using the results responsibly and respectfully. Remember that online data may not always be current or complete. People move, change numbers, or update their personal info. Always verify with more than one source before making decisions. Privacy matters too. If you don't want your info to appear, many services offer an opt-out request where you can ask to remove or limit your listing. Most users get this wrong. They think once online, always online. But you can take steps to reduce your digital footprint. In conclusion, FastPeopleSearch can be a helpful tool for reconnecting or fact-checking basic contact info. Use it carefully, verify details, and respect privacy. From 0 to pro means knowing how to search smart and consider the human story behind every result.